Hello everyone, welcome to
Good to Know.
I'm John.
I'm Rebecca.
And we've got another treat giveaway this time. Now, we don't always do a giveaway, so you may see some other videos, unless we say giveaway, it's not a giveaway. So, because we're going to do, we might do a camera or a few other things that we might not give away, but you might want to go purchase.
Right.
Okay, so this is pretty neat. And it's a little expensive.
Right, it retailed for just under $70. So for us to give away, that's expensive for us.
Yeah.
We're poor folk.
So, but it's something that we could use, but I think it's for your vehicle. We're going to show you right now. I'm going to talk about it. And you're saying, what is that? It comes with a little monitor and a little hook. It comes with a little cigarette. Well, they don't call them cigarette no more. They just power cord. Oh, this little keys, little key locks. It has a little wrench. Another little power ball, which you can put right down into the power cord. And like I said, I'll show you. And you're like, please tell me what this is.
Can't wait, I can't wait.
Can't wait. Well, the thing is, I got to get these out. These right here, this is the main thing right here. They go on your tires. So, if you have a car that doesn't tell you the tire pressure, or if your tire is low, that's what these are for. They go onto your tube stems. And they'll also lock in, and these are little keys to lock them in and unlock them right here. No, this is to change if the battery goes to, hold on, what was this for? Yeah, in here. Yes, these are for if the battery goes dead in one of these. You'll put this on here and take it off. You'll get the battery off somehow. Yeah, just like that. Fits right on there and it'll click and turn off. Anyway. So here's your little monitor that you plug into your, like I said, your power thing, which we used to call them a cigarette holder. And this, it has one that'll go to your window or somewhere. It gives you some distance. Or you can use the little ball and fits in here, and it'll just go right down in between your gear shifter down there. So pretty neat. It has all the tools, everything to put them on there with. It has all the instructions. It comes with two little books that tells you how to. I read it, but we've had this for a while, and we was waiting for the right opportunity to give them. These are good, especially in cold weather when your tires go low. These will actually tell you which tire is low. So, like my car and Rebecca's, we both have vans. It only tells us that we have a low tire pressure. It doesn't tell us which tire it is. We have to go figure that out. So these will tell you actually which tire. It tells you which tire to put it on and everything. Right front, left front, rear. So it's very convenient for people who live in cold weather, people who live at the beach. They're riding on the beach a lot and turn down their take a little air out of their tires, and then they go pump it back up, because these things just screw right back on. They're easy to get on and get off. They have these little locking screws right here that you put up on them so nobody can steal them. You'll need the tools to lock them in. So this is a great little product. I don't think there's hardly any setting up with this, as long as you follow the instructions and put the right cap on the right wheel.
There is a calibration process, but it looks like it's easy. Once you get them on there, you have to drive like 9 miles per hour.
Yeah, for just a little short distance. So that's what we're giving away. That's our giveaway. I'm not going to put these on my vehicle and test them out or anything, but we have not used it. We've opened it. We've had these for just sitting right here waiting for the right time, because our products are getting better and better. And I did think about putting this on my vehicle, but Again, we live in a moderate temperature area. It don't get too hot, don't get too cold. But if you're in one of them extremes, or you go to the beach, like I said, you let the air out of the tire to ride on the beach, and
Or you have an older vehicle
an
that
older
doesn't tell you
vehicle
what
that
the
doesn't
pressure is.
have anything. I mean, this would be perfect for you. And if you know somebody you want to give them to as a gift, this would be awesome. So this is what we're giving away. The drawing, Rebecca's got it down, is the October the 20th, and that'll be next Sunday. Today's October the 13th.
If you're coming here after the 20th, you cannot enter because the winner will already have been chosen.
Already chosen. This is for the U.S. and Canada only, because this is a product we have. If it's something that we drop ship, we'll include some other countries and people. But this is something we have. We're going to ship this right out of the house. So when you win, we'll tell you all you need to do to get it to your house, what information. The key word,
Under pressure.
under pressure. Okay, under pressure. Is that one word or two words?
2 words.
2 words, under pressure. And I'll make sure I get it right this time. I'll write it down. I'm sorry about last week's. All right, I'm gonna pack this stuff back up, and we're gonna get this uploaded, and we'll see you guys. Hope all of y'all tell your friends. There's some good stuff here. Give us a way. Go check out our cooking channel. It's called, I was about to say Good to Know. It's called Cast Iron Skillet Kitchen. We're also on Roku. You go watch us over there on the big screen. But all of our content is on YouTube. So if you want to see all of our cooking contents, come over there and see it. And we also just did a nice review on a dehydrator. We would have done it here and showed it off, but it is a cooking product, so we kind of did that on our cooking channel. But go over there and check that out, man. It is neat and nice. It's by Sunglife, Sunglife. Awesome, clear plastic. So anyway, see you guys in the drawing. Bye.
Bye.